तो मैंने कर दी।
Yeah, it's going. Hmm. And Ashmit, while drawing this diagram, remember the nucleus of the myelin sheath is between the membrane. The red color spot, you can see the red color spot.
Yes, miss.
Yeah, you don't have to draw inside.
Okay, miss, I got
So
it.
this nucleus, sorry. Okay. This nucleus labeling is the red color spot.
Miss, this has to be drawn between the myelin, no? Myelin sheath and the
Yes. Yeah, two layers, which you can see. You have to draw between those layers.
Miss, what's the last one of axon ending, nerve and
And telodendron. And नहीं और है. First of all, you write down or. Completed.
Miss Wet labeling is
Completed now?
No, miss.
Miss, wait.
Okay.
Yes, Miss. Done.
What about others?
Miss, done.
Everybody completed?
Yes, miss.
Very
Yes,
good.
miss.
Fine. Now I'm explaining this. Pay attention. Everybody pay attention. I'm explaining this. Okay. The neuron, the parts of the neuron is divided into two broad categories. Or you can say neuron is divided into two parts. Fine. The first one is cyton and the second one is cytoplasmic extension. First वाले का नाम क्या है?
Cyton.
And दूसरे वाले का नाम क्या है?
Cytoplasmic
Extension.
extension.
Only Rahul is studying कि बाकी सबको मैं निकाल दूं? Only Rahul is studying and should I remove everybody?
No, miss.
Hello? Then why
No,
you
ma'am.
guys are keeping quiet when I ask you to respond? So tell me, neuron is divided into two parts. That is number one,
Cyton.
cyton.
Cytoplasmic
Number
extension. Cytoplasmic
Cytoplasmic.
Very good, Anand. And the third one, I don't know who was it, Ritraj or somebody.
Rishi.
Fine. Okay. Now, students, cyton के चार parts होते हैं. Fine. You can see that curly bracket. But before that, cyton के दो और नाम होते हैं. Perikaryon or cell body. Can you see that? Cyton got two more
Yes,
names.
miss.
Perikaryon and cell body.
And cell
Fine.
body.
Very good. First one, you have to make your own notes. So listen carefully. Point number one, neuron is divided into two parts, cyton and cytoplasmic extension. Point number two, अभी पूरा cyton start करना है. Nobody will write. Nobody will write. First listen. Cyton start करना है पहले. Cyton is also known as perikaryon or cell body. Point number three, cyton consists of four parts. The nucleus, granulated
Dendrites.
cytoplasm, dendron and dendrites.
Dendron.
चार part. अंदर से बाहर. The nucleus, granulated cytoplasm, dendron and dendrites.
Dendrites.
Now, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh points क्या होगा? Description of these four parts. So, and listen carefully. You have to write down on your own. Again, I'm repeating. Neuron consists of two parts, cyton and cytoplasmic extension. Point number one. Point number two, cyton is also known as perikaryon or cell body. Point number three, cyton consists of four parts, that is nucleus, comma, granulated cytoplasm, comma, dendron and dendrites. Point number four, nucleus is enlarged and present in the center. How is nucleus?
Enlarged and present in the
Enlarged
center.
and present in the center.
Very good. Fine. Thank you, Anand. And who was the third person? Mitul or Ritraj? Who is
Rishi.
speaking?
Rishi.
Rishi. Sorry, Rishi. Fine. Now, friend, next. Point number 5. The cytoplasm is granulated and the granules are known as Neissel's granule. उस granule को हम लोग Neissel's granules बोलते हैं. Why? Because the granule was discovered by a scientist named Neissel. Fine. Neissel was the name of the scientist who discovered that neurons के cyton में जो granules है वो बाकी सेल से अलग है. Fine. कैसे अलग है? You doesn't have that in syllabus. Fine. वो आपको 12th standard में. तो इसके लिए उसका नाम रखा Neissel's granule. So point number 5. Point number 6. The short cytoplasmic extension is dendron. What is dendron?
The
Short
cytoplasmic
extension. Very good, Rishi. Fine. Last, very simple, point number 7. The branches of dendron is known as dendrites.
Dendrites.
Very good. Fine. So 7 points write down quickly. Diagram के नीचे. Point number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 लिखो fast.
Miss, first is cytone and other
Cytoplasmic extension.
yes, miss.
Neuron is divided into 2 parts, cyton and cytoplasmic extension. Second point, the cyton का दूसरा दो नाम. Cyton is also known as perikaryon or cell body. लिखो जल्दी
Cell
fast.
body.
Yes.
मिस नर्व सेल में माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया गोल्जी बॉडी ये सब नहीं होता?
होता है ना, वो सब होता है. पिक्चर के इसका फंक्शनिंग में सिर्फ इतने पार्ट्स जितना हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं उतना ही यूज होता है फंक्शनिंग प्रोसेस को एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए. That's why we don't study all those parts. Got it, Mitul?
यस मिस.
Why you sounds always so low? आप राहुल से
Miss,
ना ट्यूशन.
cytons.
हाँ बोलो.
The second point is cytone is divided into 2 categories, perikaryon and cell body.
Yes. No, not divided. Cyton is also known as.
Also known as. Miss, what was third point?
Third point. When you're asking everything, then how can I tell you? What was third point? You tell me. You're asking everything and not writing.
Neuron is divided into 4.
Cyton
Types.
consists of 4 parts. What's curly bracket? देखो. Cyton consists of 4 parts. दिखा? That is nucleus, granulated cytoplasm, dendron, and dendrites. Oh my God. Completed writing 7 points, kids.
Miss, wait, 3 points are left. Miss, what are dendrons? Miss,
Short cytoplasmic extension. Done.
Miss, wait.
What about others? Rishi, Taiba, Anand? Yes, Ritraj. Done. Where's my cutie? Anand. Cutie. He's there or he's not there? He's not there? He's there. Raj, Rishi, Shadaf, Afifa, she's traveling. Taiba, Raj, हो गया? Hello? Done?
Yes, Miss, done.
Okay, so who will say that? Okay. Next 6 points more about the lower part. अभी हम लोग ने न्यूरॉन का ऊपर वाला पार्ट पढ़ लिया है, अब न्यूरॉन का हम लोग नीचे वाला पार्ट पढ़ेंगे. फाइन. नाउ स्टूडेंट, न्यूरॉन में दो ही साइटोप्लाज्मिक एक्सटेंशन होता है, दैट इज डेंड्रॉन एंड एक्सॉन. पे अटेंशन. न्यूरॉन में दो ही साइटोप्लाज्मिक एक्सटेंशन होता है, डेंड्रॉन एंड एक्सॉन. ओके, एक्सॉन एक ही होता है बट डेंड्रॉन बहुत सारा होता है. कैन यू सी इन द डायग्राम? डेंड्रॉन बहुत सारा होता है, एक्सॉन एक ही होता है. कैन यू सी दैट?
Yes, miss.
यस, फाइन. इसको मल्टीपोलर न्यूरॉन बोलते हैं. पर किसी किसी न्यूरॉन में एक्सेप्शन होता है, दो एक्सॉन होता है, वो आप point number 8, the long cytoplasmic extension is known as what? Tell me. Long cytoplasmic extension, जो लंबा खींचा है वो क्या है? So student, absent. So आपको लिखना है point number 9. The nasal granules absent in the cytoplasm of axon. So point number 8, long cytoplasmic extension is axon. Point number 2, the nasal granule absent in the cytoplasm of axon. इसके लिए इसके साइटोप्लाज्म को एक्सोप्लाज्म बोलते हैं. फाइन. ये हो गया 8 and 9 point. Point number 10, on axon there is a deposition of myelin sheath. Everybody can see that myelin position.
Yes,
Sheath. Yes. Again,